Guys, Bitcoin right now is having a lot of trouble breaking this key level right here. I will talk about that in this video. The key level that right now is holding Bitcoin down. We are also going to have a look at the Dixie, of course, and we are going to have a look at the S&P 500 because we are seeing some new signals over there, and I might show how you can have a nice trade set up for Bitcoin. Of course, we are also going to go over the signals that we are seeing over on Will Portal. Guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure to do so. And of course, before we jump further, drop that like if you like these kind of videos. Guys, the yellow line that we are seeing right here, that is the 50-day moving average, and as you can see, we are getting rejected from this level. It looks like Bitcoin is getting squeezed between the horizontal support, also the declining resistance, of course, which we can see right here, but we broke the declining resistance already, so we got that horizontal support right here at roughly 19,250. And we got the 50-day coming back down, and I think most likely we will see a breakout out of this formation from the 50-day right here with this horizontal support. The breakout is either going to go to the upside or to the downside. I will tell you in today's video which direction I think this breakout will be. Of course, we already saw a breakout to the upside, but we saw a nice reaction in the price, so there was definitely a level that Bitcoin broke right there. However, we are not yet seeing a lot of follow through. So guys, in the shorter term time frame, we can see Bitcoin is also forming somewhat of a triangle formation right here with the resistance at 19,350 roughly, and the support is at 19,230, but of course the most important level is 19,160. If we see a decisive break to the downside, most likely Bitcoin will go see and test lower levels. If we break out to the upside, we most likely gonna test 19.5k, and this is going to be an important level because for bullish continuation we need to break this level. And guys, it's quite easy to explain that Bitcoin actually trended down or is consolidating in this formation, and that is due to the fact that the average funding fee is positive. And what we can see, guys, the average funding fee chart over on willportal.com, whenever this metric is positive for the past couple of months, price doesn't go up. So right now we see price comes down, it goes up in a short-term time frame, but it generally moves sideways. There is no upside breakout, and that is due to the fact that most of the time the majority of the traders in the markets don't get rewarded, and yeah, it is more likely for the price to move sideways or slightly go down when the average funding fee is positive. So I think this is one of the most important metrics to watch when trading Bitcoin short term. Then the Bitcoin balance on exchanges is quite low. We have seen a lot of withdrawals. That's quite nice. We haven't seen this level increasing. I think before we could see a potential Bitcoin dump, this level will increase, so I will watch this level as well. We are sending automated tweets about this level over on our Twitter, so if you are interested in that, you can follow us. Link is down below in the description. Then guys, I want to go with you to some different charts. Let's go to the Dixie. Dixie is actually looking quite interesting because we still haven't seen a breakout, but we are seeing some weakness. We did lost that uptrend slightly. Now we're coming back up, and now we're just hovering around that level. We have not yet seen a breakdown in the Dixie, but that might come today or tomorrow. That might come very, very soon. But we have not yet seen that. That's very important. There's no breakdown confirmed. Once this breakdown is confirmed, things will get more bullish for Bitcoin and the S&P 500, which is the chart we are going to have a look at right now. S&P 500 looking very interesting because we broke above the middle of the megaphone pattern right here. We got a nice reaction, and now we are testing the neckline of this W formation. And guys, this is actually quite bullish because we are seeing the RSI breaking out multiple times right here, and we are forming a reversal pattern. And seasonality, I don't know if you guys watch the YouTube channel of Alessio Rastani, but seasonality wise, he's also explaining that there can be a Halloween effect in the stock market, which means that normally around November, December, those are quite bullish months for the regular financial markets. So we could see the S&P 500 continue to go up right here in the coming months, and that could be the start of a bigger bounce in Bitcoin as well. However, it is slightly controversial with the idea of the 4-year cycle low, which should come in the first half of November this year. So yeah, I'm still a little bit cautious, but I do definitely want to emphasize the fact that we did saw a breakout right here, and it looks like that if Bitcoin can hold these levels, so don't lose these levels, and also hold this on the relative strength index, the uptrend, then we might see a bounce in Bitcoin too. If we lose this uptrend on the relative strength index, guys, then yeah, big warning signal. Bitcoin most likely going to see lower levels and going to break down from this triangle formation, or at least going to break this horizontal support, and not the one in the shorter term time frame, but this level at 18.6k. If we lose the uptrend in the relative strength index, that scenario is becoming more and more likely. Guys, that was it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed this analysis. If so, smash up that like button. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. If you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel of Will Portal. The link is down below in the description. We published 3 videos already there explaining some charts. And yeah, I can tell you already right now, most of these charts, there is not one trader that is using them. Most of the traders, they just look at the price, they just look at the technical analysis, which is okay, of course, but you can get so much more depth from the markets with these charts. You can get so much more grip. You can actually, at a lot of moments, you can just log in, look at the price, look at the charts of Will Portal, and if you truly understand these charts, then you can basically for 80% know what the price direction is going to be. Not every single time, but at certain moments when opportunities arises, you can basically be very, very sure of a certain outcome, which would never be possible with just the A on the chart. And yeah, I would highly recommend you guys to use this website. I would also highly recommend you to look at all the videos that I've published on the Will Portal YouTube channel. The link is down below in the description. Make sure to subscribe over there. I will post more tutorials, and of course follow us over on Twitter as well. A lot of good things are coming, and you guys better prepare for it. Guys, I want to wish you all a great day ahead, and I hope to see all of you in the next video.